Dr. Amy Ben, chiropractor, and I wanted to talk more about fascia and releasing facial fascia. This can help you with your TMJ. I have this little device. I'm still ordering some other devices that may come, and I'll demonstrate with those later. But this is a little plastic, looks like a frog. And I use this for facial fascia. I've used other items on my videos, and I still can and do use those whenever, but I found this to be a little bit more comfortable when I went in to reduce fascial adhesions on the face. So we have your ramus, which is the angle of your jaw, your zygomatic arch, your temporal area. You have muscles on your forehead and your scalp. You've got your sagittal suture and your coronal suture. And on different patients or different people, you're going to have different areas of tension. So what I like to do is also to run the plastic device along the cheek on the jawbone. You can also run it right underneath the jawline to break up fibrous adhesions. You can go up into your facial smile lines, and then you may have different trigger points based on whatever injuries you have endured. Maybe you're in a car accident, maybe you fell, or whatever it might have happened to you in your childhood. So this has two different sides. I like the more narrow side, and I like to go on the temporal area, above the zygomatic area, right in front of the ear. There's a big old knot on my head. You can go all the way up into the hairline, and you'll find different areas of your body that will be more tender than others. So you can go in there and go on the coronal suture, or right along the lines of the sagittal suture is always a good one to do. And you can go all the way around your head. And then also, with the plastic one, I found that I don't have to put as much oil on, because I have a tendency to have skin sensitivity, so I don't like to do a lot of oil. But it does make it easier if you put oil on this, if you're doing your face and your jawline, and just make sure you wash off the oil first. Also, what I've used is a cleanser, a facial cleanser, and just use the cleanser to just use as a lubricant for it to slide on your face a little bit more easily, but not in the hair. I don't want to mess up my hair and get grease in your hair, and I don't really find it necessary for the hair. So that being said, this is my other little device. It was under $5. I found it on Amazon. Again, you can do the forehead with it and get on the muscles, and it helps relax muscle tension and so forth on the face. You can also go around the eye area. Just be careful not to damage your face or your skin, and then the delicate area around the eye, you gotta be careful with that. So if you have any more questions, give me a call. I'm Dr. Amy Ben. I'm located in Arroyo Grande, California, and I'm a chiropractor.